Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video, I'm bringing you guys some deep cleaning motivation. I really want to focus on our bathroom today. And then I'm also going to just tidy up around the house in general. And then I also want to clean the ceiling fans. So I'm going to be bringing you guys some deep cleaning along with just some motivation to tidy up your home. So if you have something on that to-do list that you need to get done, let's go ahead and tackle it together.
All day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright.
So as always, we are starting in the bedroom today. I just wanted to get the bed made, and then I need to put some hair products up, and then just overall tidying up this space. So that's pretty much what we're doing in here. And then I also want to deep clean the mirror as well. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this room up, and then we'll move into the bathroom. I pretty much do this every morning, especially now that it's getting warmer. I like to open the windows and just let some fresh air in. I don't know, something about fresh air coming into the bedroom every morning definitely puts me in like a cleaning mode, but also, you know, just reminding me that the warm weather is coming. So another thing that I've been loving is turning the lamps on in the morning. Definitely loved how this room turned out after adding like the nightstands, the decor above the bed, and then the lamps. I just definitely love the aesthetic vibe that it has going on in here. So I always love to turn the lamps on in the morning, and then I usually turn them off whenever I leave, and then of course turn them on in the evening as well. But I just definitely love the way it looks in the morning. So we are now in the bathroom. This is something that I honestly dread. I don't know, something about deep cleaning the bathrooms, I just don't find joy in it. But I have been doing good with wiping off the countertops very regularly, but just not deep cleaning the entire bathroom. So that's what we're going to tackle today. I always like to clean top to bottom, so just making sure whenever you're cleaning a space or deep cleaning a space, always go top to bottom. Because like, for example, if I were to clean the sinks first and then those are all clean, and then I start cleaning the mirror and then there's dust, you know, that's going to fall in the sink, and then I'll have to re-clean the sink again. So always just try to clean top to bottom. Sometimes I do forget, but I do try to use that method as much as possible. And then the next thing we're going to clean is the toilet. So we're going to deep clean that. And then also want to tackle like the baseboards behind the toilet. A lot of times they are forgotten, to be honest. So whenever I clean the toilet, like the bottom of the toilet, I always like to try to deep clean that area as well. And then we're also going to tackle the shower. Now I'm going to be honest, like when I first came into the bathroom, I was just going to do like the sink area, the mirror, and then the toilet. But then I was like, let me go ahead and finish it all up. And so I finished with the shower, and it was definitely much needed. So I'm glad I went ahead and got that done.
Every tune is your song. Doesn't matter what I say, there is no other way. Gotta stay loose when next to you, for sure, or else you get bruised. There's no pick and choose, for sure.
So to clean my toilet today, I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray. And now sometimes I do spray with a disinfectant, but most of the time I just go with like the all-natural. It's something about using like a lot of strong smells gives me a headache. So like if I were to use the disinfectant spray, I would definitely have a headache after cleaning, and I just didn't want to do that today. So I just went ahead and cleaned with Mrs. Meyer's. And then to clean the inside of the toilet, I just use toilet bowl cleaner, and then like the toilet bowl wand as well, where you have like the refillable sponges. So that's pretty much what I use to clean the bathroom in general. And then I'll talk about the shower in just a little bit.
your backs and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go.
So normally I always end my cleaning with vacuuming and mopping the space with this gadget, but I honestly, like I said, I was not planning on cleaning the shower, and then like halfway through vacuuming, I was like, okay, Ebony, let's go ahead and get this done, and we'll go ahead and title this a deep clean with me to give you guys that deep cleaning motivation. So that's sort of kind of why I stopped midway and just started cleaning the shower.
It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way.
Now, normally I do just use Mrs. Meyer's, or sometimes I'll use toilet bowl cleaner just to give like the shower a shine. Well, today I knew that the shower was going to be pretty bad just because it's been several weeks since I've cleaned the shower. Honestly, it's probably been like a month or so since I cleaned the shower. So I was like, let me find a product in the house that I know will get like a lot of the grime and nastiness off from the shower. So I decided to try out my Dawn Power Wash. I always use this stuff in the kitchen and it works great. So I was like, let me go ahead and try and deep clean the shower with it. I definitely loved how I didn't have to scrub a lot of stuff, because sometimes I'll have to get the brush, but this time I just used my microfiber cloth and it worked really, really good. I do say that it is hard because it gets so soapy that it does take a while to get all of the soap off. So if you want to use the Dawn Power Wash, just don't use so much of it. A little bit does go a long way. But other than that, I really loved cleaning with it. I felt like it got all of the, the gunk and the stuff that gets between the cracks and things. So I was pretty satisfied with using it.
Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow.
So we are now finished with the bathroom. I'm just going to go ahead and finish vacuuming. This is a wet vac, so it vacuums and mops at the same time. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and then we're going to move on to the next space. So I'm going to go ahead and clear off the countertops, and then we're going to wipe the countertops off really, really good. And then that's pretty much all I'm going to do in the kitchen today. I've been regularly cleaning like the cabinets and stuff, so I don't have too much to do in the kitchen. It's definitely not a deep clean, but just more of like a tidy up this space type day.
Followed up with confusion, that was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us for the stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. that was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feet.
So to clean my countertops, I just always use Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray, and then I use a microfiber cloth. I did change scents from the scent that I used in the bathroom just to change it up, but that's pretty much all I'm going to use to clean the countertops. And then for the sink, I always use my Dawn Power Wash, and sometimes I do use the Dawn Power Wash to clean the countertops. I don't really ever record that, but like if I know that the countertops are really nasty, I'll go ahead and wipe down with Dawn Power Wash and then do the Mrs. Meyer's. That'll definitely clean your countertops, and then you can use the Mrs. Meyer's after that. I know some people actually use like a granite countertop cleaner. I've seen that as well. I don't have really any reviews on it, but that is an option if you want to clean your countertops with that as well.
How much I'm missing, feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive. How much I'm missing, feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. How much you're missing with me.
So the next thing I'm going to do is just vacuum this entire space. So the kitchen, the front door area, so like the foyer area, and then also the living room. So we're going to clean the ceiling fan, and then we're going to finish off vacuuming as well. So instead of just using the wet vac, I wanted to change it up today and just use the vacuum cleaner. I didn't feel like the floor really needed to be mopped today, so that's pretty much why I'm just using the vacuum cleaner. But before I vacuum the living room, I wanted to go ahead and dust and wipe down the ceiling fan, and then we'll finish vacuuming after that.
The sky is blue, the sun is high. Sitting here on my own, I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me that's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn. Maybe I should take a stroll. And to me that's alright. To me that's alright. I spend my days just dreaming about you. Well, now that's just what I will do. I'm telling you, the sky is blue, the sun is high. I'm sitting here on my own. I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me that's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn. Maybe I should take a stroll.
Since I had the duster out already, I wanted to go ahead and tackle our little entertainment center here. So I'm just going to dust and wipe down everything. And then, like I said, I'll vacuum after that. But one tip I have for you guys, never wipe down your space before you dust. So always dust first and then wipe down. I've learned the hard way so many times. I would always forget and then just spray the dust and then wipe it down and just cause myself a lot more work than I planned. So always dust first and then wipe down the area afterwards.
The sky is blue, the sun is high. Sitting here on my own, I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me that's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn.
So now that we have finished dusting and wiping down most of the areas in here, I want to go ahead and vacuum all that up, and then we'll move on to the next thing.
To me that's alright. I spend my days just dreaming about you. Well, now that's just the sun is high. I'm sitting here on my own. I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me that's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn. Maybe I should take a stroll. And to me that's alright. You know, to me that's
The last thing I'm going to do is fill up my humidifier. I always forget to fill this thing up. It has a timer on it, but for some reason I always forget to turn it back on once the timer runs out. But we're going to go ahead and fill this up, turn it on, and then we are done for today. So I hope this video inspired you to get something done and just tackle something on your to-do list, even if you didn't want to. I definitely did not want to clean or deep clean the bathroom, but we got it done. I hope this video encourages you to get something done. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I'll be there. And if you get blue, I got the loving for you. Yeah, I'll be there. Your heartache, it kills me, but your loving, it thrills me.